Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and today we are going to talk about CSAT reasoning. And today's topic of CSAT reasoning is going to be blood relation. So let's start few questions. Let's see what kind of questions we have got previous year and what kind of questions that can be expected in the coming years. Now let's see. So basically, this question says that. So basically, the what is the first thing that is important in uh, our CSAT? That is like knowing the gender is one of the most crucial part because when I say that A is the mother of B, right? So A is the mother of B means A जो है वो B की माँ है. So it means A should be female. And what about B? So in that case, I don't know the gender of B. B आपका बेटा भी हो सकता है और बेटी भी हो सकती है. So when there is a statement that A is the mother of B, we know the gender of A, but we don't know the gender of B. So whenever we talk about questions of blood relation, always remember that knowing genders is extremely important. So now let's start with the first question. What does it says? A woman says, a woman says, this man's son's sister. Okay, so son's sister is going to be daughter. So this is this man's daughter. Okay, so let's say that man is X and X has a daughter. Okay, is my is my mother-in-law, means whose mother-in-law? Mother-in-law is husband's mother, means let's say that lady is Y. So Y is husband, and this is mother of husband, right? So in that case, D is going to be mother-in-law of Y. मतलब जो D है वो Y की सास है, right? So basically, X has a daughter, daughter has a son, and Y is the wife of that H, right? So the question says, how's women's husband? Women's husband is who? H. Is related to the man in photograph, that is X. So basically, H is going to be grandson of X. So answer of this question is going to be option C, that is going to be grandson. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? So it says that there are 7 members in a family. Okay, so there are 7 members in a family. P is the mother of R. Fair point. So P is the mother of R. So do I know the gender of P? Yes, P is the mother, so P has to be female. Okay, what is the gender of R? No idea. G is the grandfather of T. Okay, do I have any idea about who G is, who T is? No. G is the father-in-law of N. Okay, absolutely no clue. Z is the mother of T. No idea. L is the daughter of P. Okay, so P has a daughter, and that daughter is L. And if it is a daughter, it should be husband. Okay. T is the daughter of R. Okay, so basically T is the daughter of R. So again, who's T? T is going to be a daughter, means female. Okay. Now, what does it say? It says that I'm going to come back to the previous statements. Now it says that T is the daughter of R. Okay. Z is the mother of T. It means Z is the mother of T. मतलब जो Z है वो T की माँ है. So it means Z has to be female. And T जो है वो R की daughter है. इसका मतलब R जो होना चाहिए कौन होना चाहिए? R should be male. So basically यहाँ तक ये चीज हमने figure out कर ली. Now what does it says? G is the grandfather of T. Okay. So T का जो grandfather है वो कौन है? वो G है. तो अगर इस चेन के हिसाब से देखें, so P is the grandmother of T, so G is grandfather. Grandfather means who? Male. It means G and P should be couples. Okay. Now G is the father-in-law of N. जो Z है वो N का father-in-law है. So G है वो अपन ये बोल सकते हैं कि Z का तो ससुर है. Z husband's father is going to be a father-in-law. लेकिन it also says that it is father-in-law of N. G is the father-in-law of N. It means G को कहाँ पे place कर सकते हैं? G should be either husband of L, or it can be any other person. So now what this question says, that how is N related to R? Okay. So basically N is going to be husband or wife of some child of P and G. Okay. सो आर जो होगा वो एन से कैसे रिलेटेड होगा? सो आर इज गोइंग टू बी ब्रदर इन लॉ ऑफ एन, मतलब एन कैन बी हस्बैंड ऑफ एल और समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो ये दोनों आपस में क्या होंगे? दीज टू पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी ब्रदर इन लॉ. So answer of this question comes out to be option C. It's not necessary that N is going to be husband of L. There are chances that G and P has another daughter and N is the husband of that daughter. That is also possible. But even in that case, R and N will be, both of them are going to be brother-in-law. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? So this statement says. So what is the approach of these kind of questions? Let's see. A plus B, A plus B means A is brother. Okay, A is brother of B. Okay, तो A brother है, इसका मतलब A male होगा, B का नहीं पता. B can be a male or a female, मतलब B A की बहन भी हो सकती है, भाई भी हो सकता है. Okay. Now A into B is means A is the mother of B. इसका मतलब A जो होगी वो female होगी. अब again female, it can be, B can be son or daughter. Okay, A divided by B. So A divided by B. It means A is the sister. A is the sister means A has to be female. Okay, so B हो सकता है A का भाई हो, A की बहन हो. I don't know. Now in this question it says that X is the uncle of Y. That's what we need to figure out. So X is the uncle of Y. इसका मतलब X तो मेल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर X मेल होना चाहिए तो X के आगे ना तो क्रॉस आना चाहिए ना डिवीजन आना चाहिए. सो इसमें X के आगे क्रॉस आ रहा है तो हटा दो, X के आगे क्रॉस आ रहा है हटा दो, X के आगे डिवीजन आ रहा है ये भी हटा दो. तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सी. वी डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रिलेशंस बिकॉज X plus A means X is X plus A means X is the brother of A, right? And A into Y means A is the mother of Y. It means X is going to be uncle of Y. We can directly figure that out. But instead of checking every option, you can just eliminate it by using the genders. कि मेल है तो अगर A प्लस बी है तो A मेल होना चाहिए, तो और A इंटू बी है तो A फीमेल होना चाहिए. मतलब any value followed by cross is going to be female. Any value followed by division is going to be a female. So और X should be uncle, it means X जो होना चाहिए मेल होना चाहिए. तो इस केस में it cannot be followed by a cross or a division. So तीन ऑप्शन अपन सीधे एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. What does it says? Now it says that pointing to a girl, Arun said, she is the only daughter of my grandfather's son. Okay. So Arun has a grandfather. Okay, grandfather's son can be someone. Okay, and she's the only daughter of grandfather's son. Okay, now grandfather's son means it's not saying grandfather's only son. So basically, let's say grandfather has two sons, right? So Arun can be, so basically let's say Arun is son of grandfather's son, right? एंड शी इज द ओनली डॉटर. ओनली डॉटर मतलब वो जो लड़की है वो लड़की S1 की डॉटर हो सकती है. तो उस इन दैट केस अरुण एंड दैट लेडी आर गोइंग टू बी सिस्टर्स. शी कैन ऑल्सो बी अ डॉटर ऑफ डिफरेंट सन. सो इस केस में अरुण और वो डॉटर क्या होगी? वो दोनों सिबलिंग, वो दोनों कजिन्स हो जाएंगे. सो इन दिस केस आई डू नॉट नो how many children grandfather has. So in that case we cannot establish a relationship between Arun and that particular lady. So answer of this question is going to be cannot be determined. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. What does it says? It says Akshay is the brother of son of Sunil's son. Okay, so Sunil's son. Okay, and son of Sunil's sons. Okay, then again we have son. Okay, and Akshay is brother of this son. So here comes Akshay. Okay, how is Akshay related to Sunil? So Akshay is going to be, and it says Akshay is the brother, it means Akshay should be male, right? So who is Akshay? Akshay is going to be grandson of Sunil. So answer of this question comes out to be option D. That is, Akshay is going to be grandson. And this is how we can get the answer. Now let's look at the next one. What does it says? Rahul is the brother of Vikas, whose sister of Prakash. Who's brother of sister of Prakash. So Rahul जो है, Rahul विकास का भाई है. Okay, so this is Rahul, this is Vikas. Now Vikas is the brother of sister of Prakash. Okay, so Vikas का भाई प्रकाश भी होगा. Because he is the brother of sister of Prakash, it means Prakash का भाई होगा और प्रकाश की sister इसकी sister होगी, right? So, and Rahul is the father of Vivek. So Rahul is the father of Vivek. Okay. So how is Prakash related to Vivek? Okay. So how is Prakash related to Vivek? Okay. Now Rahul is the brother of Vikas. Okay. It means Rahul is male. Okay. Who is brother of? So Vivek is also male. सिस्टर ऑफ प्रकाश. यहाँ पे प्रकाश के आगे ना हिम यूज हुआ है, ना हर यूज हुआ है, ना उसको बोला गया है कि दैट इज ब्रदर. सो इट मींस वी डोंट नो द जेंडर ऑफ प्रकाश. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नेम नेवर अज्यूम द जेंडर्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई you can't say that Prakash is going to be uncle. Now this is a dicey scenario because we don't know the gender of Prakash, so it means our answer is going to be cannot be determined because Prakash can be either uncle or aunt. So इस केस में जेंडर फिगर आउट करना जरूरी है. जेंडर आप प्रोनाउन से डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं, हिज लिखा हुआ है, हर लिखा हुआ है, या फिर डायरेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन से फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ब्रदर लिखा हुआ है, सिस्टर लिखा हुआ है. लेकिन अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा सो नाम से जेंडर को एसोसिएट हम नहीं करते हैं. That's why answer of this question is going to be option D, that is cannot be determined. Thank you. So if anyone has any doubt, can drop a message in the comment box. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.